5 best work at home for introverts. Hello to top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So the first one we have here Promos, as you can see. So you go to Google Play and you write Promos, as you can see. This is the application, and then you click over install and you install it. You have here over than $10 million. So how to make money on Promos.com starts by sign up as a contributor on their platform. Promos.com offers a variety of tasks often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interest and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you typically receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. You have here the second one, it's for Fiction. So this is Furfiction.com and this is the homepage. To make money on Furfiction, all I have to do is search bar sign up as a tester on their platform. You click over login, then you click over sign up and you write your personal information and you start with Furfiction. So Furfiction specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made up to successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver raw, high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So that's it, how it works with Perfection. And let's move on to the next one we have here, Survey Time. So since survey time, if you want to sign up, you click over sign up with email. You enter your personal information like your email address and your password, then you get started with it. You can also use other options like Google or Facebook. And right now I will show you how you can earn money on survey time. So you start by sign up for an account on their platform. So survey time connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you'll receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete these surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. As survey time offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed. Payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So that's it with survey time. Then let's move on to the next one. We have Papertrol. So to make money on Papertrol, you can start by sign up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading service. So you click on login and you write your personal information like email address, password, and other personal information. And then once you register it, you'll be able to take and edit assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their quality, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So that's it with people true. And let's move on to the next one. We have Metro Opinion. So this is the homepage. First of all, you have to choose your country. Then this is how you can earn. You sign up, answer, and get paid. So to make money on Metro Opinion, you have to start by sign up for an account on their platform, which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money. And Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So that's it with this one, and let's move into the last one. It's Appen. So this is the homepage of Appen. All you have to do is get started with it and you can earn money. So to earn money on Appen, begin by sign up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. So Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take more multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. But without forgetting, we have to be patient and you have to use social media to share and know how to attract people to buy what you have, and also using these 5 jobs at home, what happened here, Metro Opinion, People Troll, Survey Time, Perfection, and we have promos here.